Good day, students. Hope you are keeping well. By this time, there should not be any pending activities in the discussion forum. If for any reason, you have not submitted the activities, I suggest you that you complete them before proceeding further, as you will be learning computer tools that are used by engineers. If you procrastinate too long, you might not have enough time to do all the tasks or to do them all well for a good score. Okay, let us start this week's presentation. As you know, engineers require specialized software, tools, and apps to research and develop ideas for new products and their associated systems. You need to be able to create blueprints and schematics for structures, systems, machines, and equipment, and work collaboratively with other engineers, drafters, and team members, and you need to be able to work productively and efficiently. That's why design engineers' software, tools, and apps need to streamline your design and development processes rather than hinder them. In this session, you will be learning how computer tools is used in engineering. For this we will be using MATLAB software. Before introducing you to MATLAB, you are suggested to complete these activities using MS Office Suite that will appear in the following slides. This will help you to refresh and familiarize the concepts that you had learned in Introduction to Computing. Please note the learning outcome for this session. You will learn to use MS Word as a tool that can be used to present engineering solutions and ideas. To use MS Excel to record, organize, and analyze data using formulas. To use MS Excel to present the results of an analysis in chart form. Familiarize Excel's built-in functions. To use MS Excel to create a proper engineering chart. In this activity, your task is to design a poster for the given scenario. Botho University is organizing an undergraduate symposium during 25th to 26th November, this year for undergraduate engineering students from all over the nation. You are one of the key members in the organizing committee, and you have been assigned with the task of poster design to advertise the symposium using MS Word. The poster must be designed in A4 layout. You are free to come up with the theme, topics of the symposium as well as the contents on the poster. Submit the saved document under the relevant discussion forum by creating a new thread. This activity is a documentation using MS Word that describes you, your family, and anything else you want to tell about yourself. Note the requirements for the document. You must have a title page and a conclusion page. These pages do not count in the total of 5. You must have at least 5 pages. You may use more if you want. Use several different slide layouts and margins throughout your document. Add images to some of your pages. Be conservative with this because too much clip art can make the document look bad. Submit the saved document under the relevant discussion forum by creating a new thread. This activity requires to create an exact replica of what is shown in the slide. Create this expression page with the descriptions shown using MS Word. Submit the saved document under the relevant discussion forum by creating a new thread. Create this image with the descriptions shown using MS Word. Submit the saved document under the relevant discussion forum by creating a new thread. Create this circuit with the descriptions shown using MS Word. Submit the saved document under the relevant discussion forum by creating a new thread. Create this brief CV using MS Word. Submit the saved document under the relevant discussion forum by creating a new thread. With this we come to the end of this refresher session. In the next session, you will be doing activities in Excel. Please make sure that you submit all the completed activities in the appropriate discussion forum. Thank you for your time. Be safe and bye for now.